People who should be careful about eating guava, amrood. Who should be careful while having guava? Guava, a tropical fruit, is both delectable and nourishing. It possesses a low calorie content and is abundant in fiber, making it an ideal choice for a wholesome diet. This versatile fruit can be enjoyed in various ways, whether consumed raw, transformed into a tangy chutney, made into sweet jam, or cooked to create delightful dishes. Guava leaves, in addition to the fruit, offer a multitude of health benefits. Research indicates that incorporating guava leaf extracts into your diet can enhance heart health, digestion, and immune system function. However, it is important to note that certain compounds present in guava may not be suitable for everyone, particularly individuals with specific health conditions. 1. Nutrient content of guava. Guavas are packed with a wealth of antioxidants, vitamin C, and potassium. A single serving of guava contains a mere 112 calories and boasts over 23 grams of carbohydrates. The fiber content is impressively high at nearly 9 grams, and guavas do not contain any starch. In terms of fat, 1 cup of chopped guava contains 1.6 grams, but its protein content is notably high at around 4 grams. According to research findings, guava is considered advantageous for individuals with diabetes due to its low glycemic index. Additionally, this fruit is rich in nutrients like folate and beta-carotene. However, it is important for certain individuals to exercise caution when consuming guava. 2. Those who suffer from bloating. Guava is abundant in both vitamin C and fructose. Consuming excessive amounts of either can result in feelings of bloating. Vitamin C, being a water-soluble vitamin, can be challenging for our bodies to absorb in excess, leading to bloating. Similarly, fructose can cause bloating, particularly for individuals who experience fructose malabsorption, a condition that affects around 40% of people. In this condition, the body is unable to absorb natural sugars properly, causing them to remain in the stomach and contribute to bloating. Additionally, even eating guava and then immediately lying down to sleep can also lead to bloating. 3. Those who suffer from irritated bowel syndrome. Guava contains a significant amount of fiber, which can aid in relieving constipation and supporting digestion. However, consuming excessive amounts of guava can disrupt your digestive system, particularly if you have irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. This can be exacerbated by fructose malabsorption. Therefore, it is crucial to consume guava in moderation to maintain a healthy balance. 4. Those suffering from diabetes. Guava is a recommended fruit for individuals with diabetes because of its low glycemic index. However, if you decide to incorporate this fruit into your diet, it is important to regularly monitor your blood sugar levels. A serving of 100 grams of chopped guava contains approximately 9 grams of natural sugar. Therefore, consuming excessive amounts of guava can potentially cause a spike in blood sugar levels. Opting for moderation is the wisest approach when enjoying guava. 5. The safe limit and the right time. It is advisable to limit guava consumption to 1 serving per day for optimal safety. Consuming more than that may not be recommended. You can enjoy guava as a snack between meals or as a pre- or post-workout refueling option. However, it is advisable to avoid consuming fruit at night, as it may potentially contribute to cold and cough symptoms. 6. What about supplements? The usage and potential benefits of guava leaf extracts have not been extensively studied, and the available evidence is limited. Further research is necessary to draw definitive conclusions. If you are considering incorporating guava leaf extracts into your diet, it is recommended to consult with your doctor for professional guidance and advice. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.